See, straight up, almost straight up our bow, we have a group of at least 11 whales close to the shore, straight off the bow. So we're going to head over there and see what's going on with them.
Yeah, what a great place. I mean, we've come here, it's a beautiful day. There's humpback whales in groups, probably feeding cooperatively, not on the surface, but down below. Lots of bird activity and whales once in a while coming very close by the boat.
There's the rainbow.
I got it.
Oh, is that cool or what?
It's a wonderful population here, probably growing about 6%. When we started doing this work in the 70s, there were less than 1,500 animals. Now they're probably 21,000, 22,000. It's a real success story to look at humpback whales up here.
This is fantastic. I've never seen anything like this. I've seen whales from time to time, but this is too wild.
This is not unusual.
No, this is a spot. This is a spot good for feed, so it's good for whales.
That was fabulous.
All of them were just one of them.